Oh, that live inside of you. You tell me last night, so this is the last.
Yes, my viewer subscriber, we say X amount of shout out. Masicka drop a tune called Blessing. And me I tell you, say the man start off grimy. Him start off dirty. But here, pray this.
Pussy give me joy, you know see that the pass blind. Keep it real, but I play with the boss man. It's such a blessing, girl. Who the fuck you for the rest of my life?
Bomba clad dog. Make you start off so hard, man. So grimy, son. But here I know viewer subscriber, big woman thing. You got some catty out there, we got some sweet piece of thing underneath them. You got some catty out there, we give you some work and make you stay work. But here, before we go down in it, we're going to run the intro, so walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Said nothing more, your boy won.
You tell me last night, so this is the last time. Say you want me fuck you like you commit a rash crime. Put up on the bed, on the edge where you start wine. Mark my words, you was something them can't find. 1 in a million, best pussy of all time.
Viewer subscriber, Masicka said the chick coming like a blessing. And that are for real, because you have certain girl out there coming like a blessing. You see me? Because you have certain girl out there we got some crutches, and when you're in there you don't want to come out. And at that Masicka make you know say, yo, you would have spent the rest of his life in it. But not even that, the man say, yo, the catty say, yo, when you thump it up like me commit a crime. And that are for real, because hear me now, you got some girl out a road we coming like a monster truck. You got certain girl coming like a Bugatti. And you got some girl coming like a Toyota. And you can't walk a Toyota girl like you do a Bugatti girl. You can't deal with a Bugatti girl like you deal with a monster truck girl. Them come with different code. And you have to have certain kind of way how you have to thump them up. And at that Masicka make you know say, yo, this a girl is a blessing.
A blessing, blessing. You're such a blessing, girl. Would I fuck you for the rest of my life? You're such a blessing, girl.
Viewer subscriber, although Masicka tell us that this chick is a blessing, you know. And not just the crutches alone him attack, you know. A man a make you know say, yo, this chick is a blessing because she got certain quality. You get me? A girl when know say she can ride and down with anything. A kind of ghetto girl. A girl who got certain standard and certain flow. And through that, and that's why she come as a blessing. Because she know how to deal with things.
Such a blessing, girl. Would I fuck you for the rest of my life? You're such a blessing, girl.
Viewer subscriber, me like a tune where Masicka drop, Blessing. Cause here I know that tune just nice, it's soft, it's simple. Yeah, and a girl can kick back and a drink all a glass of wine and a plate in the background. Or even if you drive your car, you get me, you can have it a bunks. But here I know, it's your boy Djstullaa, we say X amount of shout out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. Your boy Djstullaa one.